Alright, today's the last day I'm gonna be here in Chiang Mai. But the real adventure begins because I will be taking the van down to Chiang Mai railway station. Then from Chiang Mai I'm gonna take a train to Bangkok, KrungThep. Then take the train to Padang, Besar, which is Malaysia. Then another train to Gemas, then Gemas finally to JB. And from JB I'll take a bus to Singapore to go home. I just want to experience the train ride back to Singapore. That's why I'm doing this. Hopefully I don't suffer. I think mainly I booked second class and first class. There's a first class for the first train, so that's exciting. I'm currently walking to the cafe at the other hotel because they have like hazelnut latte and like chai yen and stuff before getting my ride down to the city. They're running a little bit late, but the person on Facebook, they replied me saying that the driver is coming. Actually scared me a little bit because the driver sent me the pickup location for Chiang Mai main city. Then I was like, no, I'm going back to Chiang Mai Cup. Then I think he misunderstood the question, as in he mistook me for someone else. So he said, oh, no, the driver is coming now. Hopefully that's the case and he did not forget me, or else I am doomed. I'm gonna say goodbye to this view. Amazing view, amazing weather. But there was only one day that rained and it was super foggy. Yeah, other than that, the weather is amazing. The van is here. Oh my god. I was very worried that they're not gonna turn up because the time now is like 9:50, around 20 minutes late, but still okay. I'm here. This is why you should always book the earliest slot to give buffer time for like this delays. Okay, now I am here at this beach. I am gonna grab to Chiang Mai railway station and get my tickets for the train first. Probably grab something to eat over there. It's currently 11 o'clock. Okay, let's go. I am now at Chiang Mai railway station. I'm gonna go to the hotel there to pick up my train ticket. This is the only non-e-ticket location. I don't know why, but I need to go and get it from the hotel. I got myself some Thai milk tea and some sausage bread. I will be going back there again, 7-Eleven, to get some last minute stuff and get it like heated up before I take the train. And currently I'm just sitting here and like working on some lemonade rolls and just gonna chill here, I guess. Not gonna go anywhere. I almost left my train ticket in the toilet. What the fuck is wrong with me? What the hell? Oh my god, what a disaster. Better put this in my wallet now. I am bored out of my mind, so I've decided to check in my luggage at the luggage room. It is new here. Okay, I'm gonna come back in 4 hours, 3 hours time. I still have 4 more hours to go until the train departs. I am going to explore Chiang Mai on foot. Or maybe I can just grab. We shall see what to do. I don't know what to do actually. I said I was going to explore Chiang Mai, but I end up in a cafe. I'm currently in this cafe called the Baristo. It is very near to the train station. There's aircon here, and the most important thing is Wi-Fi. Okay, just now the hotel that I was at, I wasn't buying anything, so I quite ashamed to go and ask for Wi-Fi. So now I'm here. Okay. I got some drinks and this one. After chilling at the cafe, I am back at the railway station. think the train is here. If the train is here, then I can probably board the train early. Okay, we're ready. Let's go. My train is over there. We're here. Okay. So cool, huh? Okay, this is the first class thing. Actually, I don't know where am I sitting at. I'm 18. Guess what? My car is actually car 2, not car 10. It's all the way at the front. So I'm walking back now to car 2. Okay, I got chased out of my previous seat. Guess what? I've been wrong the whole time. That was the second class seat. And this is the first class seat. Okay, so this, I have the entire thing to myself. Not myself. I think there's someone here. There could be someone here. No wonder lah. The entire train is like second class. Just the first cabin is the first class. Why did I not think of that? What the fuck? Maybe because of the photos online, but this is how it looks like. There's pillow, that's nice. Same thing. Curtain. They say that I'm taking this seat, which is good because the window. And then I thought that this is the toilet. I don't have a private toilet, okay? I was trying to open the door. Cannot lah, bodo, this is the connecting room. They have a small mirror here. Oh, there's a cup. And a basin to wash up, I guess. And you can actually call for the help. Let's go check out the toilet because I think the toilet is different. This is the same as just now. And you get shower. So I get a shower tonight. Oh, okay. That's how it looks like. One shower. Maybe I will shower. Maybe. I think I forgot to mention there is a towel that is given to us, as well as a blanket. Yeah, very nice. Everything happened too quickly. I recorded with my iPad. I don't know what, I'm not sure whether the footage is okay or not. But hey, the seats are converted into beds. See, there's steps here and lower berth. Yay! So I just went for a quick shower. The shower is another cubicle. I'm here at the toilet because I want to brush my teeth, and there's no like mirror there. So yeah. They are supposed to come at like I think 9 o'clock, but then 9:07, so the bed is already made, which is good. Like now I have a lot of space. Yeah, I'm just doing some editing work on my laptop. And then also watching my show at the same time, multitasking, yeah. Good morning everybody. They just made an announcement saying that they're gonna come and change the bed back to the seats and clean up the cabins. So wake up, we're arriving. locker room but like lockers to put my huge gigantic luggage and go and explore the city for a little bit and meet my friends. Here we go. They only have L size, so 300 baht. 14. Alright, locker number 14. I'll meet my friends. I'm going back to the train station now. I didn't record anything, I forgot. The locker is 200 baht for I think 4 hours. Alright, to continue the next part of the trip, I am back at the KrungThep Central Terminal. I'm currently waiting for the train and we are boarding. Let's go. Oh, a lot of people now. Let's go. She was on her phone and then I was like, oh, I want this. Oh my god, pakapao.
How is it? How is it?
อันนี้
How is it?
เท่าไหร่ครับ
60 baht.
10 บาทเท่าไหร่ I don't think there's any more pakapao. About egg omelette and rice. It's very warm, so it's like we just made it. Orange soda from Mr. Uncle over there. Everyone is asleep. No, time is like 7:30. I am going to sleep now. I have my eyeballs and also noise cancelling AirPods. And if that doesn't work, I have earplugs from the plane as well. Okay, good night everybody. Everybody's asleep. Good morning everyone. Now it's 6:30 and converted our beds to seats. I bought Pakapao. I finally got it. breakfast. The sun is coming up. So let's eat. We're currently going down the map. Let's see. The toilet, this sporting style, and shower too. But I don't think there's any heater, but I don't think I'll be using the shower. Next stop, Padang, Besar. And I was just chatting with this nice lady out here with my very broken Thai. She said that her mom is working in Singapore actually. She's also going to Malaysia. I think for work also, but I think so lah. Like, my broken Thai, I cannot really understand, and I cannot really speak to her in Thai as well. We are here. I cannot Okay, I'm here. Immigration was relatively easy. Just follow the crowd, and there's a cafeteria at the second level. Once you come up, I'm gonna go get something to eat and check out the food, I guess. Ini? Okay lah, boleh lah. Oh, it's very nice. I just had like a small lunch with the lady, and we wanted to go to the station, like the platform, like together. But then my ticket is too early. Now the time now is like 11:44. My ticket is for 3 p.m. Yeah, I only can enter at like 2 plus. So bye bye. โชคดีนะครับ I will insert a photo of the lady here. Very cute. We were communicating with our broken Thai, with my broken Thai, and yeah, I was using Google Translate and all to like talk to her. And also, I managed to help another Thai lady with her phone, her data. She just came over to our table when we were eating. Then, like, I could understand that she wanted to on her data for her Malaysia SIM card. So, with my broken Thai again, I helped her, and it worked. I feel like I can actually survive in Thailand. Yeah, I am finally going up to the platform. It's 1 hour before the departure time, and I'm going up. We shall see. I found my seat. Let's sit again. C11, our seat. There's like compartments for you to put the bags, and also a lot of space at the front. And there's a little kitchen there. Little galley area that sells a little store that maybe I can go and check it out later. Here's the toilet. I'm going to the toilet now. I just want to see whether there's shower area, but they don't have. Yeah. I don't think so, right? Is there a shower area? I don't think so now. Yeah, they have a little super thingy. Okay, very sadly, cannot shower. I am just gonna change into my shorts and my comfy clothes. Maybe I will. I don't know whether I want to wash my hair. I don't have to. Right, I am ready to go to sleep. And also, God bless this tree. Gemas. It's exhausting. It's just tiring. Like, I don't like this. I prefer the Thailand trains because you got your own bed and you can sleep. These are like the seats that are not Very nice. And we are here at Gemas. Later, I think around 1 hour later, I'll be boarding the train to go Johor or another train, my last train ride. I am gonna go up to the platform, see whether there's food or any drinks for me. Yep. So I came down to the cafeteria. I think this is the cafeteria. Maybe I'll get some bread. I don't know. I still have 2 more hours before my next train comes to bring me to JB. So I got a bread, and then I'm also getting popcorn as well. It's awesome. Okay, so the cafeteria is here, but it's closed because it's 12 p.m. But at least that small little store is open. Do I look tired? I am a little bit tired. My hair is like very gross. My hair is very gross. Okay, now I'm just waiting right in front of the entrance. There are no signs that like tell you which platform or what time is boarding. It's just the stuff. He came to ask us where are we going. So later, yeah, when it's my turn, I think he'll call me back. Okay, so I'm finally going up the last train. What's so long? And also, right, I just realized my train that I've been taking has been progressively get like worse and worse. So this is I think the ETS, something like that. Look at the condition of the train. Oh my god. So yeah, the condition of the trains just progressively keeps getting worse. This is the last train that I'll be going on. I will not be taking the train from JB to Singapore because there's no time slot that is like good. I want to go back home as soon as possible. And with that, I am here in JB. Oh my god, okay, last trip to go back home. Let's take the bus into home and take Grab, I guess. And with that, I'm back. The Grab driver was very friendly, very chatty. Chatted with him for a little bit. I'm gonna go back and bathe. Like my hair is so oily, it's insane. And I think I smell bad, I don't know. Still okay lah. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched all 25 minutes of the video, thank you so much. You have not catched my Chiang Mai trip, which was where this trip started from. Go and check it out in the playlist over here or here, I don't know, somewhere. And if you want to know the itinerary for this train trip, it will be in the description box. Let me know if you have any questions. I would be more than willing to answer them. I would definitely recommend this trip if you're going with your friends. It is actually quite fun if you book the upper and lower berth together. Next video, I will be uploading my Mongolia trip video. I'm very excited about that. I haven't started editing it. Let me go get to work. It is super exciting. It is where I got my scar, this burn scar. And yeah, okay, stay tuned. Goodbye.